Good morning. This is Bennett. He's in a good mood. He's in a good mood even though he got baby acne. Which really bugs Mom, but doesn't bug Ben. No. Doesn't cramp Ben's style. No, he's still a grooving dude. I thought Ben was going to smile this morning at me. That's why I was taking a video. Ben. Hi, Benny. Hi, sweetheart. Are you going to smile for Grandma's? Can you smile? Hi. Hi. Can you smile? Even though you got hiccups? Hi, sweetheart. Can you smile? Can you smile? Hi. Hi. Can you smile? Oh, we're thinking about it. Oh. Yes, we're thinking about it. Oh, we're getting so close to a smile. Oh, Ben, can't wait till you can smile at me. Hi.